So we don't know how to bake or roll. Oh my god. But yeah, welcome back to Infinite Knees. But now we're doing cooking channel. Infinite Cooking Knees. I don't know.
Fuck baking.
I screwed up the dough anyways. It was super sticky. Should have been too much butter.
People are gonna judge me.
Good. They're gonna.
What?
I don't know. The only thing that's gonna judge is if it comes out. If it screws up.
What? Are you still filming?
Of course I am.
Oh my
I'm gonna
god.
film this whole thing.
Now it's like.
I thought about that when I was at home. Then of course I didn't do it when I was here. And you mentioned it. I was like, I should.
Okay, too. You're still filming?
Yeah. I'm just gonna film until. Welcome to the cooking class.
Terrible.
Oh yeah, we made donuts. Those are, I mean, they're kind of donut shaped.
They're donuts. They're tiny donuts.
I mean, yeah.
Oh no, I gotta freaking put shit on this shit and shit.
Red velvet, although they're purple, black. Oh, you know what? They're just chocolate color. They look like chocolate. Maybe it's the orange light. I don't
Oh
know.
my god, I'm fucking done with this shit. Put it on. Yes! Yes!
Yeah, we did it the second time.
Fucking right.
Did it. Here's some flour for you people.
Merry Christmas, you fucks.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animals.
And a Happy New Year.
Yeah, that's. What
So
the?
I'm just supposed to like.
I mean,
There's gonna be a lot. Like, do you see this?
All along the sides. And then
There's
with your
like
excess
hard
dough, hold on to
pieces.
this. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. I just
It's-
rolled
it's
out
too
the
late.
extra
It's
pie
there
dough
now.
crust, and now we're gonna take this very small square cookie cutter. Look, it's about as big as my little finger.
Well, that's not
And now
necessary.
I'm
I
gonna
don't
cut out a bunch
think so.
of little
No.
squares.
That was just
And
like for
in
art-
the picture of the
artsy,
pie
artsy.
is very pixelated.
Artsy-fartsy.
And I
Yep.
put in my pie,
Now,
egg yolk,
cut.
2 egg
We're
whites,
coming back.
a little
We
bit
screwed
of
up the pie. We're just
salt.
slapping
didn't.
things back together. Look, hold on. I don't know if you can see that. We just slapped a piece on there as it fell off.
Will you stop judging me?
I'll judge.
What do you want to do the freaking edging? It's like the worst part. My God.
See? See? See?
You want to
Shit.
wait
Look at
to
this
make
shit.
the filling because this recipe sets
Done.
very
It's
quickly.
done.
So you can't make
Done.
it while the pie crust
Dun,
is
dun, dun.
baking. You want to wait until the pie crust is
Let's get that
ready
pie
to go.
view
First thing
angle.
that we're going to do is
Pie
we're
view
gonna
Pie
angle.
eye level.
take yolk and our cornstarch.
This is the-
mix
this is
together
pie
until
view.
it becomes like a thick paste, but not lumpy. And now we are going to add our milk. I'm going to add a little bit. I'm going to whisk together.
Quiet. For a second.
You know what?
Da, da, da,
We're just gonna have to. We're just gonna have to
da,
deal
da.
with it because it's the dough. It's the. I messed up the dough. This is my fault.
It's all sticky and shit.
Yep.
So now it's all like sticky and shit. Do we want like a thick crust around this shit or what?
It's thin now.
Fuck.
Or you know what? If you could just slap.
I'll be upstairs.
Yeah. If you just slap on some thick pieces, I guess. Good.
How about you stop laughing at me?
I can't. Slap.
I'm so angry. Oh my god.
I'm hoping it cooks properly.
I really hope so.
If not,
We should have just fucking bought a pie. We should have just bought the crust. No, you want to be fancy.
hey, you agreed too. You're like, you know what? Let's do it. We want to be. Yeah, you know, it was always more my fault. I said let's do it. Oh god. Oops.
Okay, so the crust, I guess, is done.
The crustacean is done.
Gross. Okay. Now what?
Do we?
Oh yeah, we gotta bake it.
Oh wait, no. Do we bake it first and then we put the stuff in? Or
No,
do we...
you have to bake. You have to bake this
that
first,
first, yeah.
and then you put the stuff in.
Yeah. So I can find out. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna cut this for Alexander. Look at our work. It's for nothing.